Hello, miss. How may I help you? Oh, I don't like it when cats are really sick. I'll give her a little checkup and then she'll be out in no time, maybe. She's going to be healed pretty quick, I think. Oh, her belly looks very big. She might be having a baby. Should I tell her? I think I might warn her. No, I think it should be a surprise. Surprises are really good. Okay. Oh, looks like she had a little baby. Oh, I must tell her. She's in very good luck. Oh. Okay, well, looks like you got another baby cat. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's okay. Here, I'll give you the cat. There is that cat, and there is that cat. Your two cats. Goodbye. Yes, and this one has been born in a little weird way, so she's a teen right now. Who, this person? Oh, I don't know. Maybe she used a tombstone because once I had a tombstone and I used it and I turned invisible. The ghosts roam here. The hospital is haunted. Everybody leave. The hospital is haunted. Leave immediately. We need to leave. Nurse Nee, stop waving and come right immediately. Now. Okay, who cares about you? Everybody out. Ghosts roam around here. Come on. Okay. We need. Oh no, she's on your back. Run, run, run. Drop her, drop her, drop her. Ah. Wait, she looks friendly. Let me ask her. Are you friendly? Oh, she's friendly. Let's pick her up and let's take you home. Oh, you need a shower? You need to go to the water park. You're thirsty and you're tired. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a lot of work with this thingy. Oh, you can teleport to me. Yes. Hello. We have a very good problem. We have a little baby, and it's a good baby. Okay, I'm just gonna float. Where is? Okay, here it is. Boom, voila. I'm floating on a wonderful floaty. Oh no! Oh no! I come to save you. Follow me. Follow me. Come on. Get this way, hurry, hurry. Climb on here, climb on here, climb on here. Yes, you got it. I was stuck in there for a little bit. No, I was stuck in there for a little bit and I'm out now. Okay, let's follow me, follow me. Okay, so Dr. Hart will save everybody, okay? So if anybody is drowning, then I will save you. Even if you're not drowning or doing something, if you're like stuck somewhere, I will never help you, okay? Because I'm not actually a doctor, but I just get the babies, things that have babies. So yes. Okay, now we gotta do a lot of work. Lots and lots of work. I'm so sorry. Follow me. Okay, I guess we're going to be living with the spirit. To be continued.